barred owls are going nuts tonight. Listen to that. Listen to them. Unbelievable. Wow. Wow. There's at least 3 or 4 of these guys out here right now. They're bouncing back and forth. Look at that. You can't see it in the camera, but they're flipping and flapping around. Wow. You can hear them flying. The branches, anyway. Unbelievable. It's like a big owl party. It's like a super hootenanny going on. There's at least 2 over here. Yeah. This is unreal. And then there's a couple over here, across the street, in the trees here. They are so ramped up tonight. I haven't heard them this, like, loud and wow. I feel like I'm in the middle of an owl party. I really am. Guys, it's an owl party out here.